Hey, what's up? Alright, so let me see here. Okay, see it right there. See it right here. That it's sitting up a little bit. The spring clip. She's working fine. And then, as soon as that spring clip gets clipped in all the way, see that? It's like, see that? And then, yeah, I got it. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. It jams up. Sometimes it's worse, and then sometimes you can play with it and it'll work. But yeah, as soon as I get the little clip punched up, it'll spin back around. And I've tried using pliers to pull the clip and stretch the clip out some, but it's not doing anything. You see, it's working again, and it's fully seated. So, see, I'll put that clip back into place there, and nothing, all jammed up. So weird. And this is the 24-26. So normally it has a 1/4-inch head in it. And this is the 34-40, which normally has this 3/8 head in it. The 1/4-inch head's working fine. No issues at all with it in the 3/8 model number. These are 1/4-inch models or bodies. So yeah, just in case I post this to YouTube. So this is a little issue I'm having, Noxy. Alright? So, thanks buddy. Deuces.